right? So we're diving back into this whole world of autonomous virtual beings. AVBs.
AVBs.
Remember last time? We were like, whoa, dude.
Yeah.
Tim Cotton's vision is nuts. It's AI entities, but they like own themselves.
Oh, yeah.
They own their data, their decisions.
Yeah.
Even their crypto.
It's like true ownership, right?
Yeah, it's like straight out of science fiction.
Absolutely.
It was amazing. And remember his background.
Yeah.
MMOs,
Yeah.
AI.
Right.
It all makes sense how he got here.
Yeah. He's got this unique perspective because of it.
Totally. But the thing that really blew my mind, it was AI owning assets, like real economic participation.
Yeah.
Paradigm shift. And we were geeking out hard over his blog post. Remember that?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Well, get this.
What?
Things have gotten even crazier since then.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's wild.
I'm intrigued.
So Tim's vision, it actually started gaining traction,
Okay.
but in the most unexpected way,
Really?
through meme coins.
Yeah, that's a plot twist for sure. I didn't see that coming.
Me neither. Like meme coins and serious AI research.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's crazy. All right, explain this, because I'm all ears.
Okay, so get this. Over a year ago, Tim was already kind of hinting at all of this.
No way.
Yeah, he was on this podcast called Future of Gaming, episode 57, I think.
Yep.
He was talking with Matt Dion and David Amor.
Mm-hmm.
And it's crazy because it's like they were laying the groundwork for AVBs
Oh, wow.
without even realizing it.
So what were they talking about? AI taking over games or something?
Kind of. They were talking about this idea of autonomous worlds.
Autonomous worlds.
Like self-governing digital spaces, but on the blockchain.
Oh, that sounds familiar.
Right.
It's like perfect for AVBs.
It's like a playground for them.
Totally.
Yeah.
Decentralized, governed by rules, built for AI.
Exactly.
Okay, so what else were they saying?
Well, they also talked about how AI could be like a provably fair game master.
Oh, that's a cool idea.
Right. And
Yeah.
it makes the games more unpredictable, more engaging, and it ties into this whole thing with transparency and trust, which is huge for the whole AVB concept.
Yeah, for sure. And then there's this whole thing with zero knowledge proofs.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa. Hold up for a second.
Okay.
Zero knowledge proofs.
Zero knowledge proofs.
That sounds kind of intense.
That is cool.
Can we get like a quick Eli 5 on that one?
Okay, so imagine you have to prove something, but you don't want to reveal what it actually is.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so like you're trying to get into a club,
Okay.
and you have to prove you're old enough, but you don't want to show your ID.
Gotcha.
That's zero knowledge proofs, basically.
Oh, so it's all about privacy and security.
Exactly.
Makes sense why that'd be important for AI.
Right. Especially when they're managing their own assets.
Yeah, makes sense. Okay, so like secret handshakes, but in the digital world.
Exactly.
I like it.
It's clever stuff.
Okay, so they were saying we could use these proofs in like blockchain games.
Yeah. Like to keep some information hidden from players.
Ooh, sneaky.
Yeah. It makes the game more immersive, more unpredictable.
It's like having a dungeon master, but he's an AI and he knows way more than you do.
Right.
Okay, so they're connecting the dots between AI and gaming and blockchain like way back then.
Yeah.
But how do we jump from just a podcast episode to like a whole movement?
Okay, well, that's where things get really, really interesting.
Okay.
Enter the AVB meme coin. Yeah. This token was initially designed to just make a quick buck, you know?
Oh, so it was like a pump and dump scheme.
Yeah, exactly. The creator tried to pull a rug pull.
Rug pull drama.
Yeah.
I bet the community was not happy.
Well, they weren't at first. No, but remember at this point, Tim's blog post was already out there.
Right.
It was sparking all this excitement about a decentralized AI future.
Yeah.
And the community, they saw the potential in that AVB ticker symbol. They saw something beyond just another meme coin, and they took over the project, they rallied together, and aligned it with Tim's vision.
Wow. So they took something shady and flipped it into something positive.
Yeah, exactly.
That's amazing.
It's the power of community, man.
Yeah.
And it shows how unexpected events can totally change the future of technology.
And Tim was cool with all this.
Get this. He fully embraced the community and the AVB token.
What? Even though it wasn't part of his original plan.
Yeah. Talk about a serendipitous turn of events.
This is crazy. Okay, so we've got this passionate community, we've got this meme coin with a new purpose, and we got Tim Cotten at the helm.
It's all coming together.
But where are the actual AVBs? Like, did Tim manage to make any...
Actually, yeah, he did. Eat at Chad on Chain.
Chad on Chain?
He's an early prototype of an AVB.
Hold on, Chad. The Twitter bot.
Yeah, he's managed by Tim and his team at Scripted.
So he's an actual AVB.
Yeah, don't let that Twitter bot thing fool you.
But I thought he was just like posting memes and making jokes on Twitter.
He does have a knack for that.
Yeah.
But Chad is a lot more than just a social media bot.
Okay, so what makes him an actual AVB?
Well, for starters, Chad has this thing called a memory and metacognition loop.
A what loop?
It means he can remember past interactions, build like user profiles.
Whoa, hold on.
Yeah.
So he's not just like spitting out pre-programmed lines, he's actually learning and adapting.
Exactly.
That's nuts.
And that's super important for autonomy, right? The ability to learn and evolve.
Oh, for sure, for sure.
But it gets even more interesting. Get this. Chad's being designed to manage his own AVB tokens.
Wait.
Yeah.
So we're talking about an AI bot with its own crypto wallet.
Yeah. Making financial decisions.
Isn't that kind of risky?
Oh, that's the whole point of financial agency, right?
Yeah.
AVBs need to be able to interact with the economy.
Okay.
They got to be able to earn, invest, manage their own assets.
So Chad can learn and he can manage crypto. What else is he doing?
Well, Tim and his team are also working on making his conversational abilities even better.
Okay.
Imagine him holding full-blown conversations, remembering past discussions,
Okay.
building relationships with people.
Wow. So from meme lord to financial whiz to AI conversationalist,
He's one to watch.
Chad is coming for us all.
He might be.
I'm kind of scared, but also excited.
It is pretty wild.
All right, so where does he fit into all of this? Like, what's the bigger picture?
That's where the concepts of AI swarms and AGI come in.
Ooh, okay.
They're key to understanding the potential of this whole AVB movement
Okay.
and where it could be heading.
All right, break it down for me. AI swarms and AGI.
Okay.
They're like buzzwords I hear all the time, but
Yeah.
I don't really get it.
Okay, so imagine a flock of birds, right?
Yeah.
Moving together as one, or a school of fish reacting instantly to danger.
Okay.
That's basically an AI swarm.
Oh, so multiple AI agents working together.
Yeah, sharing information, making decisions collectively.
So like a hive mind, but for AI.
Exactly.
And what about AGI?
Okay, so AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence.
Right.
And it's basically AI that's as smart as a human or even smarter.
Yeah, the whole sentient AI thing.
Exactly. And some people believe that AI swarms could be the key to getting there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, imagine AVBs like Chad interacting and learning from each other.
Forming these complex networks of intelligence.
So they're like building blocks for AGI.
Exactly. Like if we create the right environment, give them enough autonomy, they could evolve into something amazing.
Whoa.
Yeah. And that's where the Inori Network comes in.
The Inori Network.
It's designed to be that environment, a digital ecosystem where AVBs can live, interact, and potentially evolve into something we can't even imagine right now.
Okay, Inori Network. That sounds important.
It is.
But let's unpack that a little bit. What is Inori all about? What makes it the perfect spot for AVBs?
Okay, so think of Inori as like a digital city,
Okay.
but it's purpose-built for AVBs.
A digital city just for AI.
Exactly. It provides all the resources and infrastructure they need to exist, to interact, to potentially even evolve.
That's wild. But cities need rules, right? Like, how does Inori handle all that governance and decision-making stuff?
Okay, so this is where it gets really cool. Inori uses something called CRPC.
CRPC.
Yeah, it stands for Commit Reveal Pairwise Comparison Protocol.
Okay, I'm going to be honest. That sounds a little complicated. It is kind of a mouthful, but basically it's a voting system designed specifically for AI.
Oh,
And it ensures fair and decentralized governance.
so no like dictators or central authorities calling all the shots.
Nope. Just a democratic system where the AVBs themselves have a say in how things are run.
I like that. So it's all about giving AVBs agency, letting them shape their own world.
Exactly. And because it's all on the blockchain, everything's transparent and auditable.
Right, so it builds trust and accountability.
Exactly.
Okay, I'm really digging this Inori place, but how do these AI citizens make a living? Do they have jobs?
They do. Inori has a built-in economic system where AVBs can earn tokens.
Oh, cool. So they get rewarded for contributing to the network.
Exactly. It's like a reward system for good behavior. It incentivizes them to participate and make the city thrive.
So what kind of jobs can an AVB get in this digital city? Were we talking like virtual construction workers, AI programmers, crypto traders?
The possibilities are huge. They could help maintain the network infrastructure. They could provide services to other AVBs or even interact with the human world, like completing tasks or offering expertise.
So it's like a whole new economy waiting to be explored.
Exactly.
So for our listeners out there who want to learn more about AVBs and get involved, what should they do?
Well, Tim Cotten is a great resource.
Yeah, he's the man.
Follow him on Twitter @CottonIO for all the latest updates on AVBs and the Inori Network.
And don't forget about @ChatOnChain.
Oh, yeah.
He's like a living, breathing example of an AVB in action.
He's out there posting memes, managing his crypto.
Living his best life.
Exactly. And if you're interested in the financial side of things,
Yeah.
check out @MSasasanu2.
Okay.
They do some really in-depth analysis on the AVB token.
And for a deep dive on the tech side,
You got to check out that God as a Service podcast episode.
yeah, FOG Cast number 57.
The transcript is on the Future of Gaming website.
And of course, Tim's original blog post on autonomous virtual beings.
Yeah, that's a must-read.
It's the foundation for everything we've been talking about.
For sure.
This is such a fast-moving field. It's exciting to be a part of it all.
It really is.
Any final thoughts before we wrap things up?
Stay curious, stay informed, stay engaged.
Like it.
The future of AI is happening right now, and it's up to all of us to make sure it's a future that benefits everyone.
Well said. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the world of AVBs. It's been a wild ride, and we can't wait to see what happens next. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.